Never fear, follow every dream when clouds appear.
Hi everyone! We recently visited Hakone, which is a really nice area near Tokyo, about a 2-hour drive away, with lots of lakes, rivers and onsen. We decided to rent a car, but you can also get to Hakone by train.
To bring you a special bulletin.
The biggest and boldest robbery in the history of New York.
After dropping off our bags at a hotel, we took the train from Miyanoshita station up the mountain to get to Owakudani. To get to the top of the mountain, you'll have to take the Hakone ropeway, or you can take a steep hike. From there, you can see Owakudani, or the sulphur springs. It's really cool because you can see the yellow sulphur against the mountain flank. It does smell a bit like rotten eggs, but you'll get used to it soon enough. These Kuro tamago, or black eggs, get their black color from being boiled in the sulphur springs. Eating one of these black eggs is said to increase your longevity by 7 years. Hakone has a beautiful lake where you can either take the pedal boat, a motorboat, or just an old school rowboat. The Polar Museum was a great place to visit. I couldn't film everywhere, so I have limited footage. But definitely I can recommend Hakone to all of you. Check out more detailed description on my website www.mysusume.com. See you again!